So when you come to the home page, you're going to see that there are two options for data entry. There's manual entry and also CSV entry. Manual only allows you to input one patient's information at a time, and then CSV will allow you to process up to 10 patients at a time. So both of these options are located on the left-hand side, and so we're going to start with manual entry. You're going to click the tab on the left-hand side, and it'll take you to this page right here. Up at the top, that you have a link to see all of the possible variable inputs that you can have. Click on that, and then it'll take you to this page where it gives you the max and min. You are going to go in and input all of your data, and if you don't know a value, there's a little spot at the bottom to click unknown. It will give you a description next to each of the categorical inputs as to what each number means. So once you have all of your inputs in, it'll look like this. Then down at the bottom, you're going to click Run. And then the output that you get is going to be the patient number, and then the probability at 1 month, and then probability at a year, up to 10 years for survival. Under that, you can just check that all of your numerical values are within the range and that all categorical values are valid. And then down at the bottom, you'll also see a graph of the probabilities that you have going from year 1 to year 10. So for CSV entry, you're again going to click on the left-hand side of the home page. You can see a template for how your CSV should be laid out at this link. So it'll take you to this page, and you can see patient number should go in the first column, and then so on with all the different variables where they should be placed. This is what your Excel sheet should look like. You should have the patient number, age, BMI, so the same order that it was in the example. If you don't know something, you can put in NA. When you're saving your Excel sheet, make sure that you save it as a .csv. When you click Browse, click on whatever file you want to upload, and then click Run. Now, in your Excel sheet, it's going to run the first 10 patients that are listed. So if you have a list of 100 patients on there, that's completely fine because it's only going to run the first 10. And you should get the output just like you did in the manual entry. You can again check that all of your categorical and numerical values are valid, and then it also gives you a probability graph for each individual patient.